So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 11 of chapter number 8, that is trigonometry of class 10. In this part we are going to solve some examples on trigonometric identities. Already we have learned what are trigonometric identities. In the previous period we have seen some formulas. Okay. So in this period, by using all that formulas, let us solve some example. Now suppose here we have our first example. It is from exercise 8.4, question number 4, first example. We have to find the value of 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Now here it can be seen that how many terms are there? This is first term, this is second term. In both the term, 9 is present. Okay, so let us highlight it. Okay, this 9 is present. So we can remove this 9 out of the bracket. When you remove 9 out of the bracket, let us see what we get inside the bracket. Okay, now this 9 we have taken it here, we took it here. Now from this 9 sec square a, if 9 is removed, we get only sec square a minus, if you remove this 9, we get tan square a. Now we have to see, do we have an identity with relation of sec square a minus tan square a? So yes, already we have seen one identity. Okay, you can see here we have an identity that sec square a minus tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to how much? So it equals to 1. Okay, so this value we are going to use. Okay, so now what you get, now in next step, suppose instead of this one, if you put there 1, so what do we get? We get 9 into 1. Okay, now 9 into 1, so our answer will be 9. Okay, an easy example we have seen. Now let us see next example. Now in this example it is given that find the value of 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, another bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, so now whenever we have such type of examples, okay, let us see, can we write this one in some other way or not? Okay, so we have already seen that. So here already we can see that this tan theta, it can be written as sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, and that sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Okay, so instead of tan, what value we will consider? Sine theta upon cos theta, and instead of sec theta we will consider 1 upon cos theta. Okay, so if you put that value, what we get? So we get now, instead of tan theta, what value we have considered? Sine theta plus, sorry, sine theta upon cos theta, plus instead of sec theta, what value we have considered? 1 upon cos theta. Okay, just a minute. Let me make it more easy for us. Okay, now our next condition is that we have cot theta. So instead of cot theta, and here we have cosec theta, can we put some other values with same denominator? So yes, cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta, and cosec also can be written as 1 upon sine theta. So this will be having denominator sine, this will be also having denominator sine. So we will put that values over here. So when you put it, what do you get? So instead of cot theta, what we have written? Cos theta upon sine theta. And instead of cosec, what we have written? 1 upon sine theta. Now what will be our next step? So we will take LCM of this one. Now 1, no denominator is there, means what will be the denominator? The denominator will be again 1. Okay, so 1 upon 1. Here also 1 upon 1. Okay, now if you want to take LCM, so what we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. Here it is cos theta, here it is cos theta. So here also we will multiply the denominator and numerator by cos theta. Okay, so that we will get same denominator. Okay, so when you multiply it, you get cos theta into 1, that will be cos theta, plus this sin theta plus 1. Now each one of them is having same denominator, so we have written here cos theta. Similarly, now here we have 1 upon 1. So let us make this denominator also sine. So if you are making here sine, we have to multiply numerator also by sine. Okay, so when you multiply it, we get sine theta plus this cos theta minus this 1 over here, and since each one of them will have same denominator, so we can write here sine theta. Okay, now if you look at these terms, okay, this cos theta plus sine theta plus cos theta, they both are same. Okay, if you change the place, then also it doesn't matter. Okay, now suppose if you write here, okay, now this cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. Let us consider this one as first term, this one as second term. Okay, and in another bracket we have cos theta sin theta minus 1. So let us write it here. We can change the places. So cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Okay, now if you look at this both the terms, okay, let this be our first term, let this be our second term. It is of which format? It is of format, let this one total be a plus b, and this one is a minus b. So now what is a plus b, a minus b? Already we have seen it. So a plus b, a minus b, it is an identity, that is a square minus b square, that is first term. This full will be first term minus second term bracket square. Now this we are going to apply over here. So what you get in next step? We get it as, now this is our first term cos theta plus sin theta bracket square minus our second term is 1 square. Okay, how we have considered, you can look at this one. Okay, now next, denominator cos theta into sin theta, so we'll multiply it, so you get sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now again here it can be seen that it is first term plus second term bracket square, so we can use our identity, that is a plus b bracket square. Okay, now what is a plus b bracket square? So that is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square minus this 1 square will be 1 divided by, now this sin theta cos theta will remain as it is. Okay, now in next step what we have to do, again you can see that here it is cos square theta plus sine square theta. Already we have seen an identity. Okay, what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? Its value is 1. So this value, let us use it here. So instead of this cos square theta plus sine square theta, what value we will use? We will use 1. Okay, so in next step what we get now? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is this 2 we brought it here, minus this 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, divided by denominator as it is. Okay, now in next step what we will do, instead of this one we will write here 1. Okay, reason identity. Okay, so now instead of this we have written here 1 minus 1, this plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, now 1 minus 1 will become 0. Okay, so you will get in next step only 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, divided by sine theta cos theta, this denominator as it is. Now in numerator and denominator both are having same terms. Okay, so we can cancel it. Okay, so when we cancel it, okay, so now what you will get in next step? Only our answer will be 2. Okay. So in this way, what we have done by using the trigonometric identities at the same time some algebraic identities, we have solved examples. Okay, so do more practice of these examples, solve it again and again. Then in the next period, we will solve some more examples based on the same concept. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.